Welcome again to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques. In the video channel we show you and demonstrate the china being listed so you can get a better feel for the condition and designs and size, because a video is worth 1,000 still pictures, isn't it? These little well, I say little, it's quite a substantial milk jug. These are Royal Doulton Kingswood design, so it's on TC1115, made I think between the 1976-77 through to around 98 from memory. Kingswood, lovely floral design, nice colours on this. It really does stand out nicely. It's porcelain from the tableware range that Kingswood was produced in. Really nicely decorated, best described as an urn, isn't it, really? Single handle, large handle, probably holds well over half a pint, but it's certainly was sold as a half pint milk jug. Quite narrow to be used as a sauce jug or custard jug, really, but it's almost to that scale, really, when you look at these things. All the measurements will be on the website. We've got 3 of these, I think, going on catalogue that came in a large tea service with 2 teapots, 2 to 3 sugar basins, and about 18 teacup saucers and side plate trios. So somebody who's had a substantial tea party at some time with them, but I don't think they were really heavily used, if used at all. If they have been, they've been cleaned really beautifully, because they're in absolutely as new mint condition, these. So TC1115 Royal Doulton Kingswood, made somewhere between 1976 and 1998, and in very fine condition. If you're interested in one of these or other pieces of Kingswood, pop across on the link below to the website where you will find our full Kingswood catalogue. Thanks for watching.